Good morning, we're back again. Let's see what the market has in store for us today. So change a few things I did add on the bottom here. So we can see my position size. I was messing with it a little bit last night with one MNQ. So it shows $3 realized profit. So it's a little bit easier to keep track of during the day, what I'm up, what I'm down. Make it a little bit nicer there. Let me go ahead and switch over to this monitor. So we are getting a bounce off of the 60-minute long setup. We have been downtrending here. We had earnings from Tesla and Netflix. So really dragging the market down. Tesla dropping, Netflix dropping a lot as well. So let's see what kind of move. If we're going to get that bounce back up, we are under the moving averages on the 60-minute. We are 920 cross. Downtrending the 9, hitting that support zone. So we'll have to see here if buyers are able to step up, send it back into somewhere in this zone right here. Probably look for somewhere around here. You know, you have the PCL low of this candle right here, and then you have that consolidation zone that we were holding yesterday and bouncing off of. So that would definitely be a place of interest. You have levels around here, you know, low of that candle. So we'll see what happens. There's another short right here. And then we have the 4-hour as well. So we have a couple levels marked out. You go ahead and switch over here. 9:31, market is live, market is open. Gonna wait for our setup. So we are towards the bottom of the range, but we are in that downtrend. So we'll have to see here what opportunities await us. Something that would be of interest on the 4-hour. If we close somewhere down here, we have a 4-hour 1, 2, 3 long reversal. I'll take it long on the dip back down, looking for us to come back up. So that's at 10 o'clock though. We'll see how that plays out. 30-minute had a 1, 2, 3 long. That's breaching through the 9 and 20. Strong buy at the open. We have 34, 30 points up to 64. So I'm going to watch this here, and we're going to see if we can get a trade.
Order filled.
So we're going to go ahead and grab this short right here. We have a 60-minute PCL setup. We're going to have our stop above. We also are coming into the 20 SMA. We are in that downtrend, so I'm good to take that short until we confirm above, and then we can look for the long setup. Let's go ahead and look over here to the 5-minute. So we have the 5-minute here. Let's see. Of course, the DOM is not working properly. Want to see if we can come back down. We do have some volume right here. Go ahead and turn this off.
Order filled.
So we'll get out 3 right there on that dip down into this volume zone. Highs of these candles here. Definitely a pivot zone that could hold. We're going to get one more out right there, and we're going to put the last one down there towards the 9 and the 20. Going to get rid of this stop here. Put it over the high. If we breach a new high, and we'll see what happens there. It's kind of nice. Shows that I'm short, net position, net price that I'm short at, my realized profit on the day, and then open P&L for the MNQ. So just watching this here, we're still under the 20 SMA. We are pivot at these levels. Let's tell us that it is breaking up before we take the longs. Go to the 15-minute here. Sitting on that volume. We are on the 9 as well. Go over to the 30-minute here. Have the 9 and the 20. I mean, that was quite the 5-minute candle. 31.75, about 54 points or so straight up. So nice to see. Right into that short setup. We got a 30-point drop. Would have liked to gotten it on the first test. Let's see what happens with this trade. Well, new 5-minute candle open. We are going sideways a little bit here, potentially building energy for the move higher. After those big moves down yesterday by Tesla and Netflix, I would think we would try and get some relief, bounce back up, but we have to get over these moving averages first. Yeah, it's holding this volume here.
Order working. Order filled.
I'm fine taking it off there as it comes back and collapses back down. That's my trade there. I'm gonna take that one MNQ off at that volume shelf, and 941 here. Let's see what happens, and we'll get on with the next trade. See where the opportunity lies. I'd like to get long into this 30-minute
Order working. Order filled.
consolidation right there, to be honest with you. You have the 15-minute 9. Five-minute could come down. I'm going to give it a little bit more room on the stop. We opened on the 9 there. Whoa there. Hold on. I want to give you a little bit more room. Ah. That's tough. Holding the 5-minute PCH. And we're just going right through. I will say I didn't think I'd be risking that much. 200 is okay. Stopped out. And we're back to 350 realized on the day. Five minute. You know, that 30-minute PCH right there. That's tough. Hourly. $15-minute holding the moving averages. I'm fine with the trade's tricky there. I like the trade into the moving averages over the long setups, but the amount of risk I had to put on. Lost about 50 bucks more than I wanted to there. Let's see. Let's see if we can get something here on. I do want to grab this long. I mean, that is a nice spot there. 33. But then if I go long, you know, risk is down to the 5-minute PCH. Let's wait for this next 5-minute candle to open. I mean, we're under the 15 right here. We're on the support. You know, technically I have 817.
Order working.
If we come down to that 5-minute PCH right there, the low of this 4-hour candle, I'll grab that long. Make that deal. And then I can take, I'll look at take it back up here. So nice risk reward. I can put my stop underneath of the lows. I can risk that. That's no problem. About a 2-to-1 risk reward on this trade if we can get that little flush down. 10:04.19. Gonna have a new 5-minute candle here soon. Let's see if we can get a nice flush before this 5-minute opens.
Order filled.
There it is. All right, we got the 5-minute PCH there at the low. We're going to put the stop. Perfect. So we can risk about 160 right under the lows. And then we can go ahead and move this target way up. Yeah, probably want to take it back into around 40.25. Well, not holding the 5-minute. Looks like it's going to stop us out again under the lows.
Stop filled.
Okay, that was a little weird. And just like that, how to go from up a couple hundred to down 156 live. No green screens. Man, really struggling. Really struggling. Just not holding up at all. Just melting right through on the 30-minute. Through the setups, long setups there. I mean, like we said, 4-hour and hour under the moving averages. Especially the 4-hour here, crossing bearish. So that might be enough to just bring it lower. Was expecting some sort of relief bounce back up today. We'll watch and we'll see what we can grab. All right, so we have a new 5-minute candle about to open up here. At this point, these candles have just, besides for here, that move, it has not been able to breach a high over the previous one. We're close to the low of this candle. We're still coming down. There's still room. If we get a little pop up into this, I can have my stop over the high of this candle, just looking for continuation.
Order working. Order filled.
All right, nice. We got filled there. Let's go ahead and get our stop above the high, 25.50.
Order filled. Order filled.
Don't know what I just did. I think I just double clicked and bought it back by accident. That's
order working.
Fantastic. And since I got in, that is the bottom right there, guys.
Order working.
So we got in short, just falling. We have not been able to make new highs over the previous candle. So just looking to short into the low of this, to pop back up, looking for continuation, and have our stop over the high if it breaks that trend there. Just very simple trend trade here. We are down a lot, so taking a short is definitely risky. We still have some room down. SPX still has more room to come down. NQ still has more room to come down. Let's see if this is the bottom since I bought in or shorted it. Let's get that bounce back. Well, it's certainly trying to break the trend. I mean, if it's gonna do it, it'll do it after nearly nearly 200 points down. Yes. Getting short there. That is something special. About 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle. This would be the first candle since downtrending that we did not make a new low. Wow, it is super close to stopping me out there.
Stop filled.
There it is. That's the top. Now we're going to send it back down. You know, we're bear flagging right here. Want to see this downwards momentum under the 9. That could have been the short entry. By 4 points. Missed that by 2 points. You know, I can always start with 2. Oh, we're trying to get it there.
Order rejected. Order filled.
We'll get short 2 there. We come
Order
back up
working.
there, we'll get 2.
Order filled.
2 more.
Order filled.
And then we'll get 1 more there. There it is, pretty much hitting that 39 level. That I had marked out, but got in just a little early.
Order working.
We're going to put our stop there. And we're going to look to get a reversal back into the lows here.
Order working.
Well, ended up hitting that 44 level that I had. 15-minute short setup. $30-minute short setup. Into the 9. Let's see how this plays out. You know, risking a little bit more, but also to make about 1.5 to 1 risk reward. Well, looks like we're just going to go ahead and get stopped out here.
Stop filled. Stop filled.
Well, oh man, not reading it right today. Just not working how I was looking for the trades. I'm definitely going to end it there. It is 11:05. Not in tune. Getting a little bit early. You know, unfortunately, we went from red to green, back down to red. I'll see if there's any more setups during the day. I'm going to end it there and will update. Let me know if you have any questions about anything in the comments. What did you trade? If you're enjoying this content, you know, you're seeing it here live, no green screens. If I'm red, if I'm green, everything's just pretty straightforward for you. So let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching.